learn about how to solve the Cholesky decomposition problem. Solve the system of equations where your equation is 4x1 minus x2 minus x3 it's equals to 3 minus x1 plus 4x2 minus 3x3 it's equals to minus 0.5. Next one, the last equation, minus x1 minus 3x2 then plus 5x3 it's equals to 0. First, in the Cholesky, what we are going to do, we are going to find A is equals to L into L transpose. So first we will represent this given system of linear equation into the matrix form, where matrix form that is AX is equals to B, where A is equals to the coefficients of the given system of linear equation, where your matrix is going to be 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3, next is 5, where your unknowns are given as what? x1, x2, x3 are your unknowns. Then your unknowns x1, x2, x3, which is equals to, where your B matrix is equals to 3 minus 0.5 and 0. The first step, what is the first step for finding for Cholesky problem? First step, A is equals to L into L transpose, where L matrix is equals to L, which stands for lower matrix. It stands for lower matrix, where L is equals to L1, L11, 0, 0, L21, L22, 0, then L31, L32, L33. And transpose, you have to do the transpose of this one, where L transpose L transpose, just you have to do the transpose of this one, the matrix transpose, L transpose, which is equals to L11, 0, 0, L21, L22, 0. Sorry. You have to do transpose. I'm writing again as in the same matrix. Your L transpose, which is equals to L11, L21, L31, 0, L22, L32, then 0, 0, L33. Then first we are going to solve for A is equals to L into L transpose. We are going to find the product of this one. A is equals to A is equals to L into L transpose, where your L matrix, the given matrix, which is equals to 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 4 minus 3, then minus 1 minus 3 5, which is equals to L into L transpose. It was not visible there properly. So once again I am writing A is equals to L into L transpose, where your L matrix, the given L matrix, the given A matrix was 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 5, then into, which is equals to L matrix, where your L matrix is equals to what? Your L matrix? L matrix is equals to L11 0 0, L21, then L22 0, L31, L32 0. Then into this, where your A matrix, that is 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 5, which is equals to L into L transpose, L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 0, then L11, you have to write transpose of this one, L11 L21 L31, then 0, L22 L32 0, then 0 0 L33, it should be L33, right? Then rows into columns. First we'll find the product of this one, which is equals to, where the product we are going to get, rows into columns, that is L11 square, L21 L11 L11 L31 L11 L21 L21 square plus L22 square, L31 L21, then plus L32 L22, next is L11, then L31 L31 L21 plus L32 L22, L31 square, then plus L32 square plus L33 square. So the product of L into L transpose, this side the A matrix is going to be the same thing, 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 5. Now what you have to do, you have to compare the elements on both the sides. When we are comparing the elements on both the sides, this cell into this cell will be compared, then minus the second cell is going to be compared with the second cell. So the respective cells are going to be compared with the respective cells. So in that case we are going to get all the L values. So comparing the elements on both the sides. So what you are going to get when you are going to compare it on both the sides, your L, so your L11 square, it's equals to 4. And then next is L11 which is equals to -1, where L11 from here what you're going to get when you're going to remove that square, which implies L11 it's equals to 2. Then this value we are going to utilize here. So L21 into 2 it's equals to -1. Then L21 it's equals to -1/2. Now next is L11 into L31, that is equals to -1. So L31 into L11 is equals to -1. Then 2L31 it's equals to -1. Next is equals to your L31 which is equals to -1/2. Next, after getting your L11, L31, we'll move for this one, L2. So this and this, so no need, we can skip this one. Then L21 square plus L22 square. From here, we are going to obtain the value of L22 square value. So what we are going to get from there, your L21 square plus L22 square, which is equals to, other side you see what you have, it is equals to 4, which is equals to 4. Then L21 value we got -1/2. So -1/2 whole square plus L22 square it's equals to 4. Then L22 square it's equals to 4 minus 1/4. Then L22 square it's equals to 16 minus 1/4. L22 square it's equals to 15/4. L22 is equals to root 15/4. 15/4. L22 it's equals to root 15/4. So one more value we got here. Now next is what, from here L31, L21, then L32, L22. So already we are having all the values of this one, so this is no need. Then L11, L31, this is also no need. Then L31, L21, then plus L32, L22. From here it's equals to this, and this is going to be the same thing. So from here which values, already from which values we got, first L11 we got, L21 we got, L31 we got, next L22 we got, 21 L22. So from here, from this value we can find L32 value. That L32 value, what is that element on other side, it's equals to -3. L31, L21 plus L32, L22, it's equals to -3. So -1/2 of -1/2 plus L32 of root 15/2, which is equals to -3. It's equals to -1/2 minus half, it's equals to 1/4 then plus root 15/2 into L32, which is equals to -3. We'll send this term on this side. So what we are going to get, we'll get -3 of -1/4. Root 15/2 L32, it's equals to -3 minus 1/4, which is going to be root 15/2 L32, which is equals to 12 minus 1, it's minus 13/4. Now take, this is also on this side, so it will go into the denominator part. So we can write A by B by C by D, which is equals to A by B into D by C. this logic only we are going to apply here. L32 which is equals to minus 13 by 4 into 2 by root 15. So this is equals to 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So L32 value is equals to minus 13 by 2 root 15. Now next we got next what we need, L33 value. So L31 square plus L32 square plus L33 square. On other side what we have, it's equals to 5 we are having. So now because we got all the values, so it will be easy for us to find the next value also. Now your L31 square plus L32 square then plus L33 square, it's equals to 5. L31 square value is equals to minus 1 by 2 whole square then plus this value L32 square, it is equals to minus 13 by root 15 whole square then plus L33 square, it's equals to 5. So this is equals to 1 by 4 plus 13 whole square, it's equals to 169 divided by then 2 root, no, it was 2 root 15. So 2 whole square, it's equals to 4 root into 15, it's equals to 60 then plus L32 square, it's equals to what the LCM we are going to 4 and 60 LCM is going to be. Then when you are going to make the denominator is equals to 1, so what formula you are going to utilize? Numerator by denominator into LCM. This formula you are going to utilize. So first one, it is what? 1 by 4 into 60. So what you are going to get? 4 ones are 4 15s are. So this is equals to 15 plus 169 by 60 into 60. So your this 60 and this 60 will get cancelled. So here you are going to get 169 by 60 then plus L32 square, it's equals to 5, which is equals to 184 by 60 plus L32 square, it's equals to 5. This is 15 times and this is equals to 46 times. 4 15s are and 46 into 4 will give you 184 plus L32 square is equals to 5. Now this is 46 by 15 plus L32 square is equals to 5. L32 square, which is equals to 5 minus 46 by 15. L32 square, it's equals to, we are taking this element on this side, so it will become minus. So 15 5 sides equals to 75 minus 46 by 15. L33, no, it is, sorry, what I am writing, it should be L33. L33 square, which is equals to 29 by 15. L33, it's equals to root 29 by 15. So the first step of Cholesky, it's completed. After that, we will move for the second step. That second step is equals to LZ, it's equals to B, where our L values, that is L is what? Lower triangular. L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, then L31 L32 L33 into your Z, where every time the Z is going to be Z1 Z2 Z3, which is equals to your B matrix. What is the B matrix here? Your B matrix is 3 minus 0.5 and 0. That is 3 minus 0.50. Then we got all the L values from the first step. We will frame it over here. When we are going to frame, what we are going to get, that is equals to, first we got 2 0 0 minus half root 15 by 2 0, then minus half minus 13 by 2 root 15, then root 29 by 15, then your Z1 Z2 Z3, which is equals to 3 minus 0.5, then 0. Now rows into columns, rows, and this is one column. So what you are going to get, you are going to get into the equation form. 2z1, which is equals to 3, minus half z1, then plus root 15 by 2 z2, it's equals to minus 0.5, minus half z1, minus 13 by 2 root 15 z2, then plus root 29 by 15, it's equals to 0. Equation 1, 2 and 3. So from the first equation we can get the z value. So when we are going to come from upward substitution, that is known as forward substitution. So what you are going to get from equation number 1, z1 which is equals to 3 by 2. Now this 3 by 2 will utilize into the second step. Substitute z1 value in equation number 1, that equation number 2. What is that equation number 2? Minus 1 by 2 z1 plus that equation plus 15 by 2 root 15 by 2 z2, it's equals to minus 0.5. So in this equation we will substitute this value. So minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus root 15 by 2 z2, which is equals to minus 0.5. This minus 0.5 we can represent as a minus half. So minus 3 by 4 plus root 15 by 2 z2, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now this 3 by 2 I will take it on this side. So root 15 by 2 z2, which is equals to minus half, then plus this minus when it is going on other side it will become plus. So plus 3 by 4 root 15 by 2 z2, it's equals to, where the LCM is equals to 4, the same thing you are going to apply, minus 2 then plus 3. So root 15 by 2 z2, which is equals to 1 by 4 root 15, and from here we can cancel. This is 2 and this is 4. So 2 ones are, and this is equals to 2. Root 15 z2, it's equals to 1 by 2 z2, it's equals to 1 by 2 root 15. Now we got both the values z1 and z2. That z1 and z2 values we are going to substitute in the third equation. That going to give you the z3 value, where minus half or substitute z1 and z2 value in equation number 3. Minus half 3 by 2, then minus 13 by 2 root 15, 1 by 2 root 15, then plus root 29 by 15 z3, which is equals to 0. Minus 3 by 4, then minus 13 divided by 2 into 2, 4, root 15 into root 15, it's a 15. So 4 into 15, it's equals to 60, then plus root 29 by 15 z3, which is equals to 0. So first you solve for this one. What you're going to get for this, minus 45 minus 13 by 60 plus root 29 by 15 z3, it's equals to 0, where minus 45 minus 13, it's equals to how much it's going to be, 58 minus 58 divide by 60, then plus root 29 by 15 z3, which is equals to 0. Z3 is equals to, take this on this side, so it will become plus root 29 by 15, z3 is equals to 58 by 60. Z3 it's equals to 58 by 60 into root 15 by root 29. 58, how we can represent this 58? We can write this 58 as 2 into 29. Z3 it's equals to 2 into 29 divided by 4 into 60 as in a 15 into root 15 by root 29. So from here I can cancel and I am going to left with root 15 and this will get cancelled, and here I am going to left with 29, 2 ones are, and this is equals to 2. So Z3 value which is equals to root 29 divided by 2 root 15. So second step is also got over, where we got all the Z values. Now we will move for the climax of the problems, where we are going to get the unknowns. And here what the unknowns was given in the problem, x1, x2, x3. The given unknowns are x1, x2, x3. The third step is going to give you the values of your unknowns. The third step is L transpose x into z, where L transpose, the transpose we are going to do the transpose of your lower triangle. So that is equals to 2 minus half 0 root 15 by 2 minus 13 by 2 root 15 0 root 29 by, this value was what? L3, that is equals to root 15 root 29 by root 15, 29 by 15, and your x is equals to x1, x2, x3, which is equals to z1, z2, z3, where z1 is equals to 3 by 2, 1 by 2 root 15, then root 29 by 2 root 15. Now do that multiplication, rows into columns. You are going to get it into the equation form. That equation form is going to be 2x1 minus half x2 minus half x3, which is equals to 3 by 2 root 15 by 2 x2 minus 13 by 2 root 15 x3, which is equals to 1 by 2 root 15 root 29 by 15 x3, which is equals to root 29 by 2 root 15. Equation number 4, equation number 5, equation number 6. We have used equation 1, 2 and 3 when we are finding the Z value. So I have given the numbers here is equals to 4, 5 and 6. Now we will move from the last equation. From the last equation we are going to get x3 values. So this substitution, when we are moving from down, that substitution is known as backward substitution. From equation 1, equation number 6, we get root 29 15 x3, which is equals to root 29 by 2 root 15. So your 29 root 15 and root 15 will get cancelled. X3 it's equals to 1 by 2. Now we got x3 value. For finding the one more value, this x3 value I can utilize into the fifth equation. Substitute x3 value in equation number 5. We get root 15 by 2 x3 minus 13 2 root 15. X3 value is equals to 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2 root 15. So what you are going to get from here? Root 15 by 2
x3, this is root only for 15. Root 15 by 2 x3 minus 13 by 4 root 15, which is equals to 1 by 2 root 15. So root 15 by 2 x3, which is equals to 1 by 2 root 15, then plus 13 by 4 root 15. So your LCM is, so from this 2, I can take the common is equals to 2 root 15 from the denominator. So it will be easy for me to solve. So that equation is equals to what? 15 by 2 x3, 15 by root 15 by 2 x2, which is equals to 1 by 2 root 15 of 1 plus 13 by 2. See from here, 2 root 15 plus 13 by 4 root 15. So we are taking the common from here is equals to 1 by 2 root 15 as common. So here root 15 by 2 x2, which is equals to 1 by 2 root 15, it's equals to 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Now simplify that one. What you are going to get? Root 15 by 2 x2, which is equals to 1 by 4, 15 by 15 by 4 root 15. So this will get cancelled. We are left with the root 15. So root 15 by 2 into x2, which is equals to, from here I can take 15 by 2 as common, 1 by 2 from here. So root 15 and root 15 will get cancelled. x2 is equals to 1 by 2. Now we got x2 and x1, x2 and x3 value that we are going to substitute into the first equation. That is going to give you the x1 value, because from first last equation we got x3 value, from third we got x2 value. These two values we are going to substitute into the fourth equation, that is going to give you the x1. Substitute x2 and x3 values in, substitute x2 and x3 values in equation number 4, we get 2x1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 by 2. 2x1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, it's equals to 3 by 2. 2x1 minus 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 2 by 4, which is equals to 3 by 2. 2x1 minus 1 by 2, it's equals to 3 by 2. 2x1, which is equals to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 2x1, it's equals to 4 by 2. x1, it's equals to 2 by 2. x1, it's equals to 1. So these are the steps we have to follow for solving the Cholesky factorization. Thank you for listening, and someone have messaged me as in a namaste. So namaste, and if you are having any kind of doubts, please leave the comment in the comment box, whatever the doubts you are having, so that in the next class I can clarify your doubts. Thank you so much.